Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the Disney filter on TikTok. So if you're looking for the filter here in TikTok, you will not get the effect here in TikTok because this effect is from Snapchat. So you need to install Snapchat, and once you have Snapchat, what you have to do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. Okay, and this is the filter. So what you have to do, just record a video here in Snapchat and save the video to your camera roll, and from there you can use the video in your TikTok. So let me record a small video. Save it. Okay, now let's go to TikTok. Okay, you can use picture from your camera roll also. Okay, likewise. Okay, so let's go to TikTok. Okay, in TikTok, this is the upload button. Just tap there. Okay, this is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Hit next. If you want to edit something, you can edit here. You can add music here, and once you are done, hit next. Okay, and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this Disney or Pixar filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.